We're going to talk a little bit now. This assembly on the bracket. There are two kinds of brackets. The first is the 3 assembled hammers here. It is fixed by 2 screws here, and I'm not going to do that because it's easy to assemble. We use a cross screwdriver, just tighten it, viewed from the front. We suggest installing it in this place on the right. This location, it is 2 hand-free handles. They are the microneedle cold hammer ones. And then in this position on the left, it is an S sculpture and handle with multiple rows of freezing points. Then the bracket installed in this position. It is also fixed by 2 screws. And you can see it from this side. 2 screws for fixing. This is an approximate installation of the bracket. And then we'll see. First of all, these 3 holes are water holes. Then overflow hole to drain hole. These 3 holes, before we receive the machine, you need to assemble the handle. Add water to the instrument. The instrument uses freezing point. And the handle of the S sculpture, you must add water to use it. This is a connecting jack for the S sculpture handle. Then multiple rows of handle jacks with freezing points. And that is how microneedle is. And jack for cold hammer. We will teach customers how to connect later. Here is the switch of the power supply and the jack of the power cord. Let's start here. Here is the S hammer. This side is the cooling side. Normally, this side also touches the skin. Then come this way. This is an S sculpture handle. This is its treatment head. Let's demonstrate how to assemble it here. Make sure there is no water quality here when assembling. If there are water stains here, we have to wipe it clean before we can assemble it. When assembling, we align hole to hole. Just plug it in. Be sure to plug it tightly, like after our holes are aligned. Without plugging it tightly, this water will seep out of this position. So you have to insert it into this gap. When I was very young, the normal installation is completed. When replacing the probe, let's turn off the machine first. Replace this probe again. Then this is the freezing point multi-row. This is its handle. And here's the probe. We assemble it. Let's align it like this first. There is a small hole here that you can see. It mainly uses this rod to locate the door. After alignment, press it and it will lock automatically. If you can hear a click, it's locked. When changing the probe, pinch the buttons on both sides. Just pull it out in a straight line. And this is one of our 2 microneedle handles. The microneedle head is in this position. There are a total of 6 microneedles seen here. The bottom 4 are standard. The top 2 are microneedle thermage heads. It's shaped like this. We can take a look at it. These 2 are optional. These 2 will only be available if there is a request. If you don't ask for it, we normally match the following 4. There are our 12 needles. Then 24 stitches and 40 stitches. We have a nano-needle-free needle. The first 3 must be operated with a needle. There will be our wounds. It's like the eye of a needle left on the skin. It will break the skin. It will bleed. So when we operate the needle, special attention is required. This needle-free, it treats the skin with radio frequency. You don't need to break the skin or take a needle. Including the 2 thermage heads above, There is also no need to break the skin and take out the needle. It's just radio frequency. Down there is a probe membrane that it is equipped with, and acrylic sheets. That acrylic sheet, let's explain it to you first. It has 3 different depths. That is, from thin to thick of 1.5, 3.0, 4.5 respectively. These 3 different thicknesses. We distinguish it like this. Normally, this label is not attached. We can tell the difference by its thin thickness. Distinguish this mainly for the later stage, when the customer wants to test the energy with the test board. It is convenient to get the corresponding one. And here is the instrument being filled with water. Funnel and to CPC. This CPC is one of them. It is connected to the pipe. We will teach the customer how to add water later. Then this is attached to the overflow hole. Then this way. Here it is. This machine is currently equipped with multiple rows of freezing points. It has 3.0, 4.5 probes. Then below is the handle of this ice sculpture. It has 3 probes. Above are 2. And then there are 3. Distinguished by depths. What part does this probe work on? Like the face, it is 2.0. It can be said to be a probe above 1.5. Probes up to 4.5 are for manipulation on the face. What if it is a probe above 6.0? It's for the body. Again, multiple rows of probes with freezing points. And the same is true. So how to distinguish the depths of the probe? We see it from here. Like this DL 4.5 is for the face. The sculpture handle is from here. This 7M can be ignored. This is the output frequency. We mainly look at the depths at the back. Then we just set that the ones below 4.5 are used for the face. Then it is used for the face, including 3.0. Okay, here we teach our clients how to assemble this microneedle head. First of all, the handle on the microneedle head. There is a curve point. Then there are 2 at the bottom. It looks like this when the probe is installed. Then these 2 touch points. Touch the touch points on these 2 handles. Here we align. Push in. Cut the bottom first. Keep pushing above. If you can't push it, in a state like mine, it can't be pushed. At this time, we need to assist. You can, for example, tilt it up from here. Finger clasp here. Just tilt it up. When it is tilted up, push this inside. At this time, the seam here is gone. It's completely stuck. Then it's easy to take it off. We just need to tilt our fingers up from here. Push up. It bounces off right here. You can take it off.